The corporate ladder just lost its first 5 rungs. If you're graduating today or if you're in a entry-level position waiting for a promotion, you are waiting for a ghost. In 2026, the junior employee is no longer a role, it's a liability. Companies are not hiring interns to learn the ropes. Why would they pay a human to learn 6 months when an AI agent can execute perfectly in 6 seconds for the cost of a cup of a coffee? Today, we are looking at the brutal reality of the entry-level gap and why your only survival strategy is to stop being a junior and start becoming an architect. Hello everybody. Let's stop talking about vibes and look at the actual math sitting on a CEO's desk right now. In 2026, the total cost of ownership for a junior employee is a financial leak. A junior typically in India costs about 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs per year basic salary. But adding in the hidden costs, onboarding, benefits, a laptop, and the fact that a senior has to spend 20% of their experience time fixing your mistake, your real cost to the company is around 12 lakhs rupees, which is roughly around $15,000. Now look at the Divine or AutoGPT equivalents for 2026. An enterprise grade AI agent cost about $500 a month. That's $6,000, which is approximately 5 lakhs a year. The math is brutal. One AI agent performs the work of 3 juniors at 1/10 of the cost. It doesn't need learning period, it doesn't get burnout on Tuesdays, and it executes in 6 seconds what takes you 6 hours. When a company can save 90% of their operation cost by deleting a junior role, they aren't being mean, they are being logical. You're not competing with other graduates anymore. You're competing with a line item in a software budget. Here is the truth. Basic skills have been commoditized. If your value is I know how to use Figma or I know how to write Python, you are a commodity. Commodities are always priced at the lowest possible point. In the old world, you trade your time for experience. In 2026 world, you must trade outcomes for capital. If you cannot generate an outcome that an AI can't, you don't have a career. You have a countdown timer. So how do you survive? You skip the junior phase entirely. You don't apply for a job to learn. You build a personal infrastructure. That is what I call architecting the solo enterprise. Instead of being the person who writes the code, you are the person who designs the system that codes lives in. Instead of being the person who posts on social media, who build the AI-driven marketing engine. The architect does not do the work. They orchestrate the agents. The reality of 2026 is simple even if it is uncomfortable. The corporate world no longer has the patience to raise you. The safety net of the entry level has been cut and AI is waiting at the bottom. But this is not a death sentence for your career. It is a death sentence for the mediocre worker. If you insist on being a junior, someone who waits for instruction, someone who trades time for a paycheck, you are already obsolete. But if you choose to be the architect, the one who masters the machine, the one who delivers outcome while others are still learning the rope, you are becoming a solo enterprise. The era of learning on the job is over. You either show up as a master on day 1 or you don't show up at all. The 2026 job market is a filter. It filters out the doers and rewards the architects. The only question left is, are you the one building the system or are you the one the system was designed to replace? The choice is yours. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. For now, signing off. See you next week.